Hi, I told you guys I would make a video about the video game problem, and here is my video. Okay, so I'm going to read the problem again, and then we're going to pull out the clues. For me, if I was to create my own expression, I would probably make a graphic organizer like this, or I'd at least envision it in my brain. So I'm going to show you how I would use this graphic organizer to help me write the expression that Miguel comes up with. So, Emma is playing a popular video game and is determined to beat the high score. The game saves her place, so each time she plays again, she picks up in the same place with the same number of points. Emma downloads the video game on Monday and starts playing, scoring a bunch of points. Okay, so let's go ahead and do context. Context. This is video game points. And then the clues. Monday, she gets some. On Tuesday, she scores an additional 500. On Wednesday, she doubles her score. And on Thursday, she scores the same number of points as she did on Monday. Same as Monday. Okay. So we've got our context, we have our clues. I'm going to use P to represent. If you notice here, on Monday, she scored a bunch. I don't know how many a bunch is. So I'm going to say P represents the number of points she scored with a C in it, Monday. So points that day, she scored P points on Monday. So her total points so far, P total points. On Tuesday, so check. I'd use that clue. Tuesday, 500 more. So she scored 500 points on Tuesday. So her total points are the P points from Monday plus 500 more points from Tuesday. Check. Wednesday, she doubles it. So doubling, what are we doubling? We're doubling her total amount of points. So this total amount of points, we're doubling whatever the value of P plus 500 is. So then her total number of points is doubling P plus 500. Maybe I should have written here, it might make more sense if I just write here times 2, because whatever this is, we're multiplying it by 2, but regardless, we end up with this 2 times P plus 500. So this is P plus 500 that she had at the end of the day on Tuesday, and then another P plus 500 because she doubled that amount. And then Thursday, same as Monday, which is another P. So her total number of points is 2 times P plus 500, and then plus P. And this was Miguel's expression. Okay. So if we really want to break it down, his expression is this. 2 times parentheses P plus 500 and then plus P. If we really want to break it down all the way to like the smallest things, P, this was how much she did on Monday. 500 is Tuesday. Wednesday, she doubled it. And this P is from Thursday. Okay. And then part B, I wish I could zoom out a little bit. Okay, that'll work. Part B, so this was all part A, kind of. Part B, we have the new expression 2P plus 1,000 plus P. So if we went back up to here, sorry, this is kind of a mess. Let's do this. She doubled it. Nope, that's not going to stay. Oh, it's because upside down. When you're using stickies, you got to put them the right side down. Okay. So here on Wednesday, she doubled what she had. So she did another P plus 500 points here. We could have, if we'd wanted to, we could have said P plus P is 2P. 500 and 500 is 1,000. Okay, which is equivalent to this. So 2P plus 1,000. 1,000 has 3 zeros in it, is equivalent. Sorry, that's so small. So this is the amount she had at the end of day on Wednesday. And then this is the amount that she had on Thursday. Okay. So if we do, I'm skipping part C to get to part D, because I'm not going to have room on my paper, and that's going to be okay. So this is part D. So we have two expressions. We have the expression 2 times P plus 500 plus P, and we have the expression 2P plus 1,000 plus P. And what they say here is they say if she scored 700 points Monday, how much would the total be? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take that 700 points and then we're going to replace P with that 700 points. So it's going to look like this. 2 times 700 plus 500 plus 700, which is 2 times, 1,200 plus 700, which is 2,400 plus 700, which is, what's 24 plus 7? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 30, 3,100? Okay, 3,100 points. If we do the same thing here, 2 times 700 plus 1,000 plus another 700, we get 1,400 plus 1,000 plus 700. Add these numbers any way that makes sense to you. I'm going to do these ones next because adding 1,000 is easy. 14 and 7, 13 and 7 is 20, so 14 and 7 is 21. So 2,100 plus 1,000, which is 3,100 points. And the purpose of this question, the reason why this is an interesting question, is that these two values are the same. And they're supposed to be the same because the two expressions that we started with, this expression, Miguel's expression, and Nevaeh's expression, they both represent the same situation. Even though they look different, they represent the same thing. So if they represent the same thing, then they should have the same value. And we see that they do have the same value because when we put in 700 for the P, we get the same thing, which is kind of an obvious point. So if you feel like that's obvious, then that's good. But yeah, cool. Thanks. Also, next time, if you can't see my video, let me know. Or my screen, let me know. And if this video is helpful for you, if it's helpful for me to go through some of the hard problems from the classwork in a video like this after we've had time to talk about it as a class, I'm perfectly willing to do it. But I don't want to do it if it's not helpful because it does take some time. So If even one person finds these helpful, I will continue to do them. And have a great day. Okay, bye.